My name is Kayla, and from the day that I started with my YouTube channel, I have been set up to make money from day one. But how exactly did I do this? This method that I found reveals how you guys could start potentially making 10 times more than other YouTubers. What is even better is that this method can start generating money from day one, the day you start your YouTube channel. And you might be thinking, how is this even possible? But what if I told you there was a way to monetize your YouTube channel before you actually get monetized by YouTube themselves? And it's so crazy how a lot of people overlook this method and they just jump straight into the YouTube channel and just ignore how you could start making money right away. And this video will be helpful to just absolute beginners that know nothing about YouTube, but it'll also be helpful to those who maybe even have a YouTube channel already. Because I want all of you to start earning 10 times more your revenue that you're already earning if you have a YouTube channel. So today I'm going to reveal how to set up this money printing machine. Without further ado, let's just get into it. So the first step is always going to be choosing a niche. And I'm going to try to give you as much value in as little time as possible because I don't want to be wasting anybody's time. So here's just a list of some of the best niches for YouTube. And then here is a list of the highest CPM niches on YouTube. And a higher CPM means that you can make more money from ad revenue. So it wouldn't be a bad idea to go with some of those niches. Now, if you're planning to go through this method that I'm giving you from the very start, I would make sure to choose a niche that is maybe a health niche or a making money online niche, which would be my channel. And once you've chosen your niche, it is time for step 2, which is going to be planning your content. So when it comes to planning your content, I would say come up with around 33 video ideas. And I say 33 because chances are one of those videos is going to do very good. And this is how you're really going to start building an audience on YouTube. And then I recommend splitting half of these videos up. So we're going to get one half of the video ideas from already popular and trending videos on the internet, and then we're going to get the other half of these videos from an AI tool. For already popular ideas, you can just simply pull up YouTube and search your niche and see which videos are really popping off and doing well. And then, like I said, for the rest of your video ideas, you're going to use an AI tool, and I would suggest maybe using Tube Magic because then you can do some real keyword research. Now, step 3, it is time to finally set up your channel. We're already here, you guys. It's probably only been a few minutes. First, of course, you're going to need to create a Gmail account in order to create a YouTube channel. And then the fun part is coming up with a name for your channel. What are you going to call yourself? And then creating channel art. And for the channel art, I would recommend just paying maybe $5 to somebody on Fiverr to create this for you. However, if you do want a free option, you could use Canva, as they have a lot of free templates to use and they can really help with that. There are other crucial steps in order to set up your YouTube channel. However, I'm not going to get into all of that right now. So make sure to click on this video if you're interested. And this video is just going to explain all the necessary steps for success within a YouTube channel. And now step 4 is going to be finally creating this content. And there's going to be 2 ways that you could create content. You could create it yourself, or you could pay somebody else to do this for you. And if you don't want to step in front of a camera like I'm doing right now, that is totally understandable and it is totally okay. You can simply just use stock footage from places like Pixabay and Pexels and then put those into a video and do a voiceover. Or you could also get a Storyblocks subscription for some higher quality stock photos and videos. And then here's a list of the best free stock footage websites if you don't want to pay for a subscription. I always like to give that option. And then for editing your videos, some free video editing softwares would include just the iMovie app on an iPhone or MacBook. And then there's also the CapCut app, or is it called CapCut? CapCut? I don't know. But that's a really good free one and it really has everything that you need to use. And then here's some other ones that I can throw on the screen for you guys. And then again, like your channel art for your thumbnails, I would suggest using Canva, as they have preset templates to simply just make YouTube thumbnails and channel art and profile pictures and banners and whatever you need. And then if you have more money than time, I would actually suggest hiring somebody else to create the content for you, because why not if you have the ability? You can head on over to places like Fiverr or Upwork and find people to actually record these videos, write these scripts for these videos, edit the videos, create the thumbnails for you. Just do anything that you might need help with or you would just rather have somebody else do. Alright, now that you have found video ideas and you have filmed them, whether it's you sitting in front of a camera or using stock footage or hiring somebody else to do this for you, you have your videos, let's say. The next step is going to be affiliate product research. And this is going to be the secret method that makes you 10 times more revenue with YouTube. In my opinion, affiliate marketing is going to be one of the easiest ways that people could be making money online. And the crazy thing about affiliate marketing is it can work from your very first video that you post. And in order to get different affiliate products to promote, you don't even have to be monetized on YouTube, which is great. It just works right off the bat. You might be thinking, wow, this sounds like a dream come true, but how do we exactly do this? Well, first, I would recommend going on over to an affiliate marketing website. Digistore24 can be a great website to find different products that can match with your niche, whatever it may be. Because on Digistore24, you can easily search by different niches. Let's say you have a health niche. You can put in keywords for health products or any products to do with health. Or maybe you have a beauty niche. You can find a bunch of different affiliate links for beauty products. Now, if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing itself, basically how it works, a website such as Digistore24 or another one like ClickBank will give you a link for a product that you chose that relates to the niche of your channel. And then once you get this unique link, you are going to promote it however you can. In our case, it's going to be through a YouTube channel. And then every time somebody buys this product from your link that you're promoting, you will get money from this, a commission. You're usually going to be earning around 50% of the product price, so I would recommend going for products that have a higher selling point. Because then, smart, we're making more money. And then all you have to do is find just a few products that have some sort of connection to your channel, and then put this unique link in the description of your videos and pinned in the comments section. Just promote it like crazy. For example, if your channel is about makeup or skincare, you could simply get affiliate links for skincare products. Make sure you also don't just put the link in the description of your videos. Make sure that people know exactly what this link is. Say something like, click here if you want to have ultra clear skin. Now, I myself am an affiliate for my brother Matt's course, Tube Mastery and Monetization, and that's how I've been set up to start making money from day one with the YouTube channel. He gives a super high commission of 50%, which is always great, and he's told me he's paid over $600,000 to affiliates, which is absolutely crazy. So if your niche has to do with making money online or talks about YouTube, how to start a YouTube channel, you could get an affiliate link for his course. The next step is going to be uploading your videos and start earning that money. Once you have your videos ready and your affiliate links ready, it is time to simply just start uploading. I also recommend choosing a schedule in when you're going to post your videos, and also choose a schedule that you know you can follow in the long run. And if you're following this tutorial, you would have already backlogged 33 videos, so you can kind of see how long a process of making one video takes for you. I recommend posting at least 3 videos a week, and if you can't do that, then 2 videos a week or 1 video a week. Most of the time, 33 videos is going to be enough for the algorithm to pick up on promoting your videos and putting views onto your channel. And once the views will start building up, so will the money. Now it is time to optimize your videos based off of your analytics. Once you have posted your first batch of 33 videos, let's say you've been posting 3 videos a week and you get through all of that. Also, to make the posting process a little bit easier, you can schedule your videos to post on YouTube. So you could just sit down for the day and schedule these videos to post throughout the week, so you don't even have to click a button to post them every few days. YouTube will just automatically do that for you. But once you've posted your first batch of 33 videos, you'll have enough data to kind of sit back and see what areas you need to work on. In the YouTube Creator Studio, you can really see where your viewers' interest peaks and where they click off of your videos, which is something that's going to be really helpful. Because then, after you look at this, you can plan your future content according to the graphs that YouTube is going to give you. And this is where we're looking at the audience retention graphs, is where we can see where people are paying attention to our videos and when people are leaving our videos. And then you're going to want to look at these videos and see when the attention spikes, and repeat what you're doing at this point of the video in future videos, and then see where people are leaving your videos and probably not do that again. You can also look at the click-through rate of each thumbnail, and this is where you can really see what makes people click on your videos. And then you can replicate your best performing videos for future videos that you put out. So you're just constantly going to get better at making content as time goes on. Now, what I just went through is the blueprint on how to start earning 10 times more with a YouTube channel, but I also want to throw in some little bonus tips here. And these are tips on how you can really execute this plan to the best of your ability. The first tip that I have is going to be giving value. Your audience will simply have more trust with you as a creator if you're giving more value within your videos. The more trust there is, the more likely your viewers are going to be to buy the products that you're promoting. For example, a lot of the creators that I resonate with and I just really like their vibe and their overall presentation, I'm more likely to buy products that they're an affiliate for because I simply like the creator as a person. And I know that sounds silly, but it is truly something that works. Tip number 2 is going to be choosing more expensive affiliate products. Now, obviously, the more expensive a product is, the more money you're going to be making per sale because you're getting a commission. Just think about it. If you're promoting a product that you're getting $30 per sale that you make, you would need 333 sales to be making $10,000. But if you're promoting a product that you're getting $250 per sale with, then you would only be needing to make 40 sales to get this same $10,000. So it's just smarter to promote more expensive products. Tip 3 is going to be having realistic expectations for yourself. The truth is, some people are more lucky when it comes to YouTube than others. Sometimes people can make sales from the first videos that they put out. However, this is not very usual, but I would like to note that you should expect to make sales within your first batch of these 33 videos. And that is also part of the reason why I recommend making 33 videos when you first just put them all out, because then chances are you're going to be consistent with your posting and you're also going to start maybe making some sales. Tip 4 is to look at what your competitors are doing. You should truly be taking some inspiration from your competitors, and then you can also look at their affiliate marketing strategies as well. If your competitors are smart and they are utilizing this affiliate marketing method, then you should see what types of products they are selling and maybe sell those same types of products yourself. And tip number 5 is going to be do not give up. I know starting out with YouTube can be difficult at first and just overall intimidating. And let's say maybe you've already posted 10 videos and none of them have taken off yet. This is something that's going to be completely normal and kind of expected. My best advice is going to be just keep posting and keep posting. Something that kind of sounds stupid but is true is that you are one video away from success. If you think about it, you never know what video is really going to hit it off. Every video is going to have the potential to take off. You just have to stick with it and keep uploading. Success will truly come if you just stay consistent with your dreams and just overall stick with it. And remember, do not give up, you guys. I believe in you. You guys got this. Now, did you know that you can make money on YouTube without even having to make videos? Feel free to click on this video, which is basically a free course on exactly how to do this. This video is going to be by my brother, and I highly recommend watching it just to get started with your YouTube careers. He goes over so many amazing secrets that aren't anywhere else on YouTube. So make sure to click on it, and we'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching.